So next step of TDS returns filing is, let us see how to enter this data in RPU. So we have done how in the last video I have already shown you how to enter the challan mm, RPU software. Okay, today we will see the annexure. Now, what is annexure? Annexure is nothing but you have to put this report. These reports we have to put it in the annexure. Challan information, that is this challan information we have already entered in challan. This, remember, challan information you have to enter in challan, and this report we have to enter in annexure. Okay. But as I told you earlier, this annexure is very, very important. And annexure, you have to enter the annexure as per the challan order. Now in this challan, this 10,500, we have entered the first challan 10,500. That is which challan it is? This challan 10,500. Whose challan it is? 94J. And this report of this challan is what? This one, 94J. Okay. This report we have to put first in annexure. So in that report, as per that report, how many deductees are there? How many people are there? Two people are there. So what I'll do, I'll go to annexure, insert row. In the first challan, how many people are there? 2. Say okay. So automatically that challan detail will come here. So 10,500. This challan is a 10,500. Okay. Both these people are 94J. So I'll select here section 94J. I'll say 4J. So you can say 4JA. Here it is displayed 4JA. That means it is what? Professional, remember. So you can select here 4JA. Or even you can select here 4JB also. Okay. 4JA actually technical service professionals, and these are what? Other professionals. So you can say 94JA, 4JA, or JB, sorry, 94JB. Okay. Okay, next I'll go here. Deductee reference number provided by the deductor. This you leave it as it is. Deductee reference number provided by the deductor if available. It is if. You can leave this blank. PAN number. I can copy directly from here the PAN numbers, or I can type it. If you have designed this in Excel, then you can, otherwise you type it here. And second one, okay, names is what? Rajesh Associate and Sumuk and Company. Rajesh Sumuk and Company. Okay, next one is date. Here the date is very important. In the challan we are mentioning here date of payment of the challan. From where? We are mentioning it from here. The date of challan is this. Okay. But in the annexure, the date should be of the report. Now this is the report of April. This is the report of April. This date is very important. So we can put here date is 30th of April 2020. This is also 30th of April 2020. Okay. Amount credited, that is the TDS is deducted on what amount? 55,000 and 50,000. So 55,000 and 50,000. Okay. TDS, how much TDS is deducted? 5,500 and 5,000. 5,500, 5,000. Okay. Next, is there any surcharge? No. I'll put 00 here. Don't leave it blank. Education says is not there right now. So 00 I'll put. A total will calculate. Again date same. This report is of April. I'll put 30th of April 2020. 30th of April 2020. Okay. Now here remark. Don't give any remark here. Deductee code. It's a company or non-company? Professional. It's a company. So I'll select what? Deductee code here 01. 1 for company. Say company and say company 01. Rate at which the TDS is deducted. TDS is deducted. We have deducted the TDS 10%. So I'll use 10 and 10 here. Okay. And last one is what? Certificate and all that. That is not important. These two are not important. You can leave this blank. All this blank. Okay. These two you can leave it blank. Next challan we have mentioned here. Next challan is 6600. So which is the report for 6600? This one. Again, this is of April only. How many people are there? Two. So again, I'll go to annexure. Insert row. In the second chalan now. In the second chalan, again, there are two people. Okay, this is also 94 JBL. Select 94 JP. Now these two people are contractor. 94C. I'll select here 94C. 94C. This is also 94C. Okay. So I'll go further now. Deductee code, if available, you can leave this blank. Again, what? PAN number of those party. So, okay. The names are Defensor, Forties and MV Professional. And MV Professionals. Okay, dated again April. So this is the report of April. So I'll put what? I'll copy the date from top. Control C and Control V. You can put it here. Same date. Amount deducted. Amount from which amount the TDS is calculated? 1,20,000, 2,10,000. 1,20,000, 2,10,000. How much TDS we have deducted is 2,400, 4,200. 2,400, 4,200. Okay. So now surcharge and all everything is 00. It is not applicable now. Again date, the report is of April only, so 30th of April, and this is also 2% TDS we have deducted. So I'll select a TDS one company and one here because it's a one for company. Here we have deducted 2%. So I'll just put 2 and 2. That's it. Don't give certificate and all that. Okay. So go to the next. Next chalan we have mentioned 3000. So in the chalan 3000 is which chalan? This one. How many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there in this three. Whose chalan it is? Contractor. So again I'll go to insert row. In the third chalan, how many people are there? 4. All these are contractors. So I'll select 94C for all. Okay. So then I'll go deductive reference number not there. PAN numbers I'll put. If you are doing this in Excel, you can directly copy all the same, paste it here also. But right now it is not work because the PDF file. I'll just type it here. So these are the PAN number for sample PAN numbers I give you. So you put it accordingly. So names are JK Enterprises, JK Enterprises. Second is PC Clinic. Next one is Rudra Security. Security, then Kunde Electronics. Electronics. Okay. Here the date is, this report is of what? June. So here I'll put not 31st of April, I'll put 30th of June 2020. Okay. 10,000, 22,000, 33 and 85. 10,000, then 22,000, then 33,000, then 85,000. Okay. Then how much TDS is deducted? To 200, then 440, then 660, and then 1,700. Okay. Surcharge and all that 000. Education says 000, and here date is also same, 30th of June 2020. 30th of June 2020. I'll copy this date down, and again this is a contractor, it's a 1%, so 111. I'll repeat again we have deducted 2% of TDS. Okay, so 2% of TDS, that's it. After entering all this transaction, again we will save this data. Save in the same file, don't change the name of the file, and same folder. Sorry, huh? Dale, go. We'll continue more, or you want to stop here? Yeah. I'll send you one more. Just go through. Correct. Now this will be of different type, huh? First, watch this video, what I'm sending you. Okay, on that basis, you pass the transactions. It is loading. Just a second. You can watch those transactions. Now, see, in these bills, it is there here. Now, see this bill. Assume that you are working for security company, Suvidha security company. See, there is no quantity rate here. There is only service and the amount. And as I told you last time, sale doesn't mean you are selling the goods only. You can sell the service. Here we are selling the service. What about service this company is giving? Security service. To whom? Somnath Enterprises. So whenever I'll enter the transaction in account,